Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got a yummy unboxing today. You're going to be able to find all of these items on hookedonpickin.com, but you've been clamoring for Hammond's chocolate and we have it now. So we ordered way more. I know it doesn't look like it, but we ordered way more and hopefully we don't sell out super fast. All right, let's go ahead and see what did we order. All right, we're just going to start. I don't know where we're going to start. Where should we start, Paul? Over here?
Anywhere you want to.
Start with this box here. Ooh, lots of padding in this. Oh, can you smell it? You can smell it, can't you?
Really
can you smell the chocolate?
Just chocolatey goodness everywhere.
Chocolatey goodness. All right, so I'm just gonna stack all of these over here. Then we're gonna open them up and see which kinds we got. Just chocolatey goodness. Look at all these.
Now I'm hoping that we have 3 boxes of each.
Oh, that's an ice pack. Ooh, it's still cold.
They got delivered yesterday, 2 days ago, something like that.
I think yesterday.
And we do have more pallets en route. I'm hoping to have those, besides the Target pallets back there, I'm hoping to have those for maybe Saturday and Sunday. So
yeah.
We'll see.
This is, looks like malted milkshake. Milk chocolate with malted milk.
Nice.
So we've got malted milkshake. And we can just stack these in the kinds they are.
If you want Riley to do it, she's there for you.
She is. All right. This one is Midnight Snack. Milk chocolate with pretzel, cookie, peanut brittle, mallow, and cereal. I guess marshmallow.
Cereal.
Yep. Cereal.
Cereal. Got some Lucky
Paul's
Charms.
got to eat that one because you
Yeah.
got some.
A little bit of Fruit Loops.
What'd you call me?
Fruit Loop.
All right. Then we have mint chocolate chip, dark chocolate with a cream center. With a mint cream center, sorry. They're so pretty. Don't they look like Wonka bars?
They do. That gold foil. They have
that gold foil in the middle.
I think every time we do an unboxing of the cut chocolate, we think of that. So
yes.
We're looking at potentially going to the confectionery, fancy word for candy land.
There's a Chicago one.
Well, it was in Chicago. I think it's in Indianapolis now.
Oh, well, that's probably closer.
They have a big convention with all new candy vendors and stuff.
Birthday cake, white chocolatey cream with confetti.
Usually I can't go because one of the girls has a sporting event, but I think with Lexi graduating.
Yeah. When is it supposed to be?
It's usually like June or July, something like that. I got to look again.
Yeah.
I'm going to cry if it's on a wrong date.
He will cry.
I really wanted to go last year.
I wouldn't let you, would I?
Partly because of the candy.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Milk chocolate with peanut butter and jelly. That's crazy. Okay, this one is birthday cake again.
Great. I don't think it was that you didn't let us go. I was trying to think of why we didn't go. Something popped up. I think it was a kid's sporting activity. Something like that.
It's always a kid's sporting activity.
Well, it's starting to change when Lexi graduates. Soda Pop,
cola flavored milk chocolate with fizzy popping candy.
Those are neat candies.
And here's another Soda Pop. So far we've got 2 of a couple of kinds.
Well, I'm hoping I got 3 of each.
Yeah. This one's Midnight Snack.
Great.
This one's Midnight Snack. So we have 3 of the Midnight Snack.
Good.
Another birthday cake. So we've got 3 of the birthday cake. This one is malted milkshake. So we've got 2 of those. This is a PB&J. We got 2 of those. Malted milkshake. 3 of those. Okay, this is a new kind.
All right.
This one is toffee brittle, dark chocolate with a toffee brittle.
I like the wrapper.
Yes.
Looks good.
All right, this is a mint chocolate chip, the dark chocolate mint chocolate chip. And then this is a new kind. Raspberry habanero, dark chocolate with raspberry and chili flakes. Spicy. Give this to your spicy spouse. You know
Spicy
what?
spouse?
Riley's dad would probably eat these.
It's true.
Yeah, he
likes all
it
kinds of spicy stuff.
He likes it if it burns your face off. I'm pretty
true.
certain of that.
Yep. He's a ghost pepper fan and all those kind of peppers. Carolina Reapers and
Yep. There we got those.
Ooh.
This is a different kind. We have got licorice drops. Old-fashioned candy.
That's a little different. I don't know if we had licorice drops last time.
I don't remember. Hard candies. Sweetness with a bite, that's a delight. So we have old-fashioned hard candies, and these are Hammond's hard candies. So we've got two different kinds.
And you'll find the Hammond's candy bars under one listing on hookedonpickin.com, and it's like all of the different kinds are there.
Yes, yes. So we had a lot of people asking about the candy bars. So yeah, I think it's actually towards the end of the snacks and candy.
Yeah.
Well, what it is, I think it's on the second or third page.
Yeah.
Is all. Yeah.
Yep.
So go to the second or third page of the snacks, the candy and the snacks category.
Yep.
More licorice drops. This is something different. Root beer.
Root beer drops.
I remember
Those are
loving the
good.
root beer barrels when you were a kid. Those are yum.
That's almost identical.
Yeah, it does taste exactly like them.
That's good stuff.
This is cinnamon drops.
There you go. A little more spice for you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, last box in this box is the root beer drops.
Oh, good. I got two of those.
Awesome. All right. Next box. More candy bars. Yay! I'm excited. I'm excited about the candy bars. All right. Should we just take them out and do just like we did last time?
I think that was a great idea.
Okay.
If you want to load up, there's like 3 of the candy bar things.
Yeah,
Loaded up on
anything that we have 3 of, you can
I don't think I ordered any more than 3 of one. There's Uncle Jim. There he is.
This one has a lot of candy bars in it.
Uncle Jim is a world traveler. He went to the faraway place of Nebraska last week.
All right. We're going to do this one here.
I like your softball shirt too.
Thank you. There's a
You were
softball
ready.
game today.
Yep.
Got to support.
Our daughter, Lexi, is a senior, and her number is 11.
Yep.
And her sister, Faith, is a freshman. And, you know, as freshmen, you don't really get to pick your numbers. You just get handed a number.
Mm-hmm.
They handed her number 9. So when they're standing next together, they're 9-11. And I'm like, you got to
Switch it around.
Switch it around. What are you guys doing?
So, cookies and cream. Milk chocolate with bites of cookie.
Very good. All this candy's good.
Yep. All of it's amazing. This one is bourbon pecan pie. Milk chocolate with bourbon pecan caramel filling. Yummy.
Yes.
Okay, this one is peanut butter cup, dark chocolate with peanut butter cup. So there's a dark chocolate one.
Mm-hmm.
This one's dark chocolate.
I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan, but
That
a lot
one's
of
good.
times the flavoring takes, if you will, the bitter taste of the dark chocolate,
Yeah.
and it's
Still
a
yummy.
little less bitter to me.
Yeah. There's
like
some
it.
people that just love dark chocolate.
Oh yeah. Got white chocolate, dark chocolate. Milk
This one
chocolate.
is cookie dough, milk chocolate with cookie dough filling.
That's good.
Oh, here's another soda pop. Then we've got coconut cream pie, milk chocolate with creamy ganache and shredded coconut.
Ganache. What a word.
Yep.
That's a fancy people word.
Here's another cookie dough. Here's another bourbon pecan pie. Another bourbon pecan pie. This is one of our newer flavors, I think, right here. This is fudge brownie. Milk chocolatey with brownie filling. So that one's actually a fairly new one for us. Here's the peanut butter dark chocolate. Here's cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. This is the toffee brittle that was in the last box. Here's the mint chocolate chip. PB&J. Oh, this is a new kind. Oh, candy peanut butter dark chocolate. So this is the newer one we have here. I'm guessing that other square box might have more candy bars in it. I'm curious what's in this long box. There's red velvet cake, milk chocolate with red velvet cake ganache.
Very good. When you make your order, it takes, I would say, a week for them to say, hey, listen, we've got your candy ready. And then it takes me almost 2 weeks turnaround to find the order. So it does take a while to get the order of candy, but it's great candy.
All right, more candy bars. This is the toffee brittle. So we've already got that one. This one is cookie dough. Oh, new one. I'll just stack the new ones and then we can open
great.
them. You know what? I'm just going to stack them all and then we'll just look at them as we go. That'll go faster.
Riley, you're doing a great job.
So hopefully you guys have been noticing we've been able to ship your items faster because of the new space. Our night crew gets a lot of the shipments out and we're usually always caught up on our shipments. Now, whether or not the post office agrees with us.
Yeah.
Sometimes they like to make the box travel for a while, but
I know, it's weird.
It's been better.
We've been noticing some packages, they don't go to the St. Louis hub, they're going to the Dallas hub.
So partly that's better because the St. Louis hub was delaying our packages by a long time. And so now that they're bypassing the St. Louis hub, it seems like they're coming to you a little faster.
It does seem like they're getting there a little quicker. So.
All right. Oh, this is red velvet. We've already seen that one.
But yeah, we had the night crew do all the packages. We actually got to go home.
Yep, we
That's
did.
Crazy.
I did laundry. It's crazy.
Yeah. James called. He had to do his taxes, so
I went out to eat with someone. Yeah. This one is coconut cream. We've seen that one. Okay, this one is Paul's dad's favorite. Right here. This is Chuck's all-time favorite of the Hammond's chocolate bars. It is the milk chocolate sea salt caramel.
Nice. Nice candy.
Yes.
Good candy bar.
Sometimes when we're feeling famished at the store, we buy a candy bar and eat one if there's any left. You guys usually buy them up pretty fast, which is awesome. More s'mores, milk chocolate with marshmallow and graham. So here's the milk chocolate seaside caramel, the s'mores one, the red velvet. This is the dark chocolate seaside caramel. Did we open that one yet?
I don't know.
No, if we have. Okay. Yeah, you can also open all the boxes if you want to, because she'll eventually have to open them if you're unsure. All right, there's that one. Yeah, seaside caramel, dark chocolate. Here's another one of those.
They are pretty wrapping, I have to
Yeah,
say.
they are pretty wrapping. This is the Seaside Dark Chocolate as well. All right, what else we got? S'mores. Coconut cream pie, which we've already seen. Oh wait, I think this is the fan favorite. This is milk chocolate. All right, the last one we have 3 boxes of, and it's the funnest one ever. You ready for it? Drum roll, please. Ready? Well, there's no drum roll. Anyway, pigs and taters.
Pigs and taters.
Milk chocolate with imitation bacon bits and potato chips.
God bless America.
Isn't that crazy?
Pigs and taters.
So we have 3 boxes of those. All right, what's in this long box? Let's figure it out.
These super long candies.
Yes, it's like a
sucker.
Twizzler. That's this. No, one giant sucker. We do have giant sucker lollipops online. Do we still have those? I think we have some.
Yeah, I think we still have suckers on the candy category.
All right. What's in here? Australian style licorice.
Beautiful. Big and bold.
Big and bold. And I guess these do taste a little bit differently than... Oh, and that's what flavor? Watermelon, I think. That one's watermelon. Because I forgot we have more than one kind of these that we occasionally carry. Yeah, because here's strawberry.
Strawberry.
So turn it over. This is the actual size of the piece.
Oh, yeah.
They're good. I like them.
Good old candy.
Yep. This is the watermelon, Australian style. What's this one? This one's the strawberry. I don't know what's in this one. Oh, the black licorice. All right, leave in the comment section below. Do you love it or hate it? Because it's usually one or the other.
Black licorice.
Yeah. Do you like black licorice?
I'm not a fan, but I can take the strawberry and the watermelon.
Okay.
Those is what I'd go for.
I'm not a fan of the black licorice. What about you? Do you like black licorice?
I do.
She likes black
Riley
licorice.
she's 1 in a million. She likes the black licorice. All right. Last box. You ready? Last box of yummy goodness is the cinnamon drops. Yay. All right. So we had a whole bunch of fun, yummy goodness. So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com, spelled just like that. Go to the candy category. Like we said, I think the candy bars will be on the 2nd or 3rd page. And you click on the candy bars and it has the whole list of all the different kinds. You choose your favorites, add them to the cart, get them shipped to you. It'll be really fun. Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.